Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do a moonwalk in the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Now we will start. We do not want anything, we want you only. We do this, click W and click shift together to run, and click 1 when you run, like this, to do a moonwalk. But after that, click S to go back. What we have, that is it. It's a very easy, like this. Look, W plus shift, and that click 1, W and shift and click 1, W and shift and click 1, and W and shift and click 1, and go click S to go back. Yani we have this. That is a moonwalk. Please subscribe, like, favorite, comment, and thumbs up. Take care and goodbye.